Hey guys, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one, bro. Let's go. Alright, so basically, man, I'm here with the Winter Soldier, man.
Really, nigga?
He's here. I woke everybody up. It's 10 in the morning. I got a whole bunch of cars that are down. All these cars. This Jeep is down. This Audi is down. This Transit is down. They gotta get fixed. So that's what this video is about. Alright, so basically, the Audi, man. I'm about to leave this here. No cap, y'all. Yeah, I gotta see it though. This is like the superstar of my channel. It's not me. It's this machine. Look, 20 likes just for doing this. Look at that. Free will. Just know if the Audi feels great. Hit the like button for me, guys. Got the Ford here. This thing, it starts, right, guys? But then after it starts, right, my brother said he turns the wheel and it stops. My Jeep, my poor old Jeep, man. The battery, I suspect it to be. That's what I suspect this problem to be. Let me try to start it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Because, I mean, the thing will turn over. It tries, but then it clicks. I suspect that to be the battery, guys. So I haven't been driving it. I've been off the road. Just minding my business, y'all. And this is what I'm driving around currently. LTZ Malibu. So there's another Chevy that I have down, and I want to show you guys me getting something done. So this Chevy needs a new battery and a mirror because my brother, he smacked the mirror off. And I have another video where I completely failed the repair of doing this because these rivets are stuck in and they need to come out. Will she start? I'm gonna try to prime the fuel pump. I think that's what it is. Y'all gotta... Do y'all see that? It's a dick on the freaking windshield. What the heck?
Hell no, man. What
Didn't even notice that. Just trying to do the repair on the car. Need a little gas. Alright, she's not gonna start. Just need that. You do what you gotta do for the cars. So. How did you don't even see the penis from out here? I guess you can see the balls kind of. Yeah, I want my gloves at this point. W's in the chat. Hey, I'm too tacked. One hand, I want to jump this. Look at it. Just corroded as ever. This boy gotta come out and do what we do. Put this thing in the garage. It's mad cold. W's in the chat. W's in the chat, boys. I'm gonna do the easy part first. Replace the battery. I already got a direct replacement. Left that on. battery. As you can see, I have took the battery out, got most of the corrosion off of this, sanded it down a little bit. I got the new battery right here. Gonna drop that in.
Nigga get to running like a bitch. When I ran, I went to switch, he started running, then he tripped. I cannot trust a bitch, they talking, that's their line, not they lip. They had their chance, but then they blew it, niggas really ain't on shit. Quick to smack a bitch back and forth, I don't argue with no hoe. Riding in a scatty pack was with my nigga Love Solo. Saw I been back, I forgot the fofo. The blue 22 on my chain, turned you to a logo.
Niggas want the throne, you not a clone, you don't for half enough. Still fuck the Jace on repeat, they ain't mad enough. I told the bitch away, I ain't gay, she ain't bad enough. I left the bitch on rest, she still waiting for her answer, huh? Basically, you're a loser. I never trust a bitch, little bro, they be true.
The next thing is these rivets. I'm gonna drill these out in order to put my new mirror on the smooth way. Basically, I need to drill out these rivets. There should be 3 of them, right? Okay, see, look. You see that? This is an automatic center press, so I'm not sure if to do this. At this point, I know that I cannot get any further on busting these up. Basically, I'm just gonna, count this as a win. I replaced the battery. I sanded it down. Got the Audi muffler right here. Yeah, I replaced the battery. Sanded the terminals down. Count this as a dub. Go in the warm. Okay, guys. Gonna probably get someone to do these rivets. Drill these out. I know what I did wrong. I should have got a smaller drill bit to begin with. Drilled a smaller pilot hole through here with a small bit all the way through. Then took my big one and drilled through that smaller JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace.
I never trust a bitch, little bro, they be choosing. Basically, I am bullying. The bitch lost her mind, and I am coolin'. Is you cold or you slipping in the snow? I just pulled up in a quattro. This bitch want a date, but I just want the box out enough.